Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for coming back to the channel. My name is LJ, and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And today we're gonna go to EuroMpire to pick up my car. I dropped it off yesterday to put the new control arms on it, and now we're gonna go pick it up in my friend's 340i. Oh, saucy. Oh my god. Dude, your car sounds so much better than mine. What's up? Oh my baby. Alright, we made it to EuroMpire, and he's gonna go grab the control arms for me because apparently they were really bad. So, alright, so how bad were my control arms?
They're pretty bad. And so as you can see, they're actually oil filled. So this side, it looks pretty fine. You see a little bit of cracking here and there. But this side, you can actually see where the oil is coming out of it. So they put that in there to kind of soften it and kind of help with harshness and noise and everything like that. Kind of like they do the same thing with motor mounts a lot of times too. But it's actually split to the point where it's leaking. And a lot of times, so you'll feel that, I kind of feel like maybe you have warped rotors or something like that. You hit it and you just get a one little quick bump on your steering wheel.
I felt that a lot, actually. That makes sense, dude. Man, that's pretty bad.
Yeah, dude.
But we're all good now.
Yeah, and all lined up and everything.
Alright, so guys, as you saw, control arm's not doing too hot, but they got replaced and it's got an alignment now, so looks like we're good to go. I'm gonna continue the rest of this video tomorrow. We're gonna be doing a Toys For Tots thing hosted by Caffeine and Horsepower, and EuroMpire is always there, so I'm gonna be there.
See y'all on Monday.
But I'll see you guys.
Day 2.
Is it here?
What's up, guys? It is next day, and unfortunately the event that we were going to yesterday got canceled because they had called for some rain. And so we're just going to regular Cars and Coffee, but afterwards we're gonna go to EuroMpire and we're gonna leave some toys, drop off some toys for Toys For Tots. So still doing something good today, just not going to the event we were going to. So let's see what we get into today. Alright guys, so we left Cars and Coffee and we actually went to go get some food. We're going to be heading to EuroMpire in a little bit, but they're not open until 12. So decided to stop by Best Buy and we're doing some shenanigans.
Check it out. This is a 340, so in other words, it's the much souped up fast.
We're over here advertising ourselves. Let's hang out for a little bit.
Bro, is that how you're working? Today we have right there. Oh my god, is that NoClutch Garage?
3 of my videos at once. In case you guys didn't know, this is how I get all my views. I should get that for my phone.
Way too loud.
Phone just fall over. Alright, looks like we're finally done at the mall, and we're finally gonna go to EuroMpire. Give these toys to the kids.
To the kids. No toys for you.
So these are all the toys.
I want a toy.
How much you spent on that?
Enough.
Not bad. Oh, it's not bad at all for a stock 340. And also he's rear wheel drive, so I think he's gonna have more power up top than I do until I do my X delete. It's kind of interesting to see a tuned 340 versus a stock 340. I'm not on my highest tune right now because I'm just kind of cruising, but that was pretty cool. That's the first time I've ever raced another 340 also, and it wasn't, you know, like a huge race. It's just a little pull. Definitely good cars. I swear by these 340s, and not because I drive a 340, but because of what the car is. It's a family sedan. I mean, literally, if we get down to it, that's what it is. But the engines on these cars are just amazing. Guys, we're finally here, and hopefully Matt's here already, so we can drop off these toys. Oh.
Oh, I was about to say there's a spot right there. I guess that's the front door. Which part right here? It's back to the left.
Because, you know, less walking.
We're right there in the driveway.
Are you vlogging yourself talking down to me?
Just look at Matt's M4. This thing is so clean. There you go. Wide angle. Phew. I'm really digging this wide angle thing. You can see the whole thing now. This is the inline 6 crew, 4-banger crew.
You know what? Words that you can't say on YouTube.
Oh my god, guys. Is that the race truck? Is that the race truck? Wow. Wow.
I wish you want to go to EuroMpire? Oh yeah. Go get Stewie. Go get some food and some BMS.
BMS. What's up? What's up, buddy? Thank you. All right. Well, are we gonna bring the toys in right away? Yeah. Let's go talk to them.
Let's go get a wheelbarrow first.
Literally, like every single toy in the store.
Well, what made you want to do this?
Of course, it's the holiday season, so why wouldn't you?
I got it.
The dinos?
Oh, let's race, bro. I want to race.
Hey, Dallas, I'll race you. Oh, it's gonna be like that? Okay. Let me warm up my soul. Big race. Ready? 1, 2. Is that it? Oh my god, yeah, I can say it. You filled up like 3 boxes. Big ass job. Thanks. Big ass job. Yeah, I think I bought all the toy cars.
I was looking for BMWs. I didn't see anything.
Yeah, I got like 10 GTRs and all the pogo sticks. You know how heavy that car was driving around with all that?
Was your N20 struggling? Shout out Dallas for all those toys, though. All right, guys, that has been it for today's vlog. Did a lot of good things today. Donated a bunch of toys to kids. Anytime you have an opportunity to give a charity, it doesn't matter what charity it is, just donate something. I feel like as people that, you know, are better off, we sort of have that duty to help those in need, those that are a little less fortunate than us. I know definitely, at least from personal experience, when I was younger, there were times when I saw other kids that had way more things than I did, and it didn't feel the greatest. I feel like, for me personally, it's kind of like a responsibility to help other families and to help other people, just like I was helped when I was younger. But anyway, that's my little spiel on donations and toys and charity. If you guys like this vlog, go ahead and give this video a like. I do vlogs and I do DIYs. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff. Today was just kind of random, and I decided, hey, you know what, I'm just gonna film a little bit. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in to NoClutch Garage. Thank you for those of you that have subscribed. I have a lot more stuff still in the works. You guys, I don't think you guys have an idea of just how much stuff I have to push out. But I also wanted to say I changed my schedule a little bit, and so now I'll be pushing out videos Tuesdays and Thursdays, and that's basically gonna work the best for me as far as filming videos and getting them edited and ready to upload. Partly because of my work schedule, and partly because the days are getting a lot shorter. So by the time I get out of work, it's already beginning to be dark, so I really don't have time to film during the week. But I'll have plenty of content for you guys, so just stay tuned in. And once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see y'all next time.